DIY face mask. What you need: 1 bandana, 2 small hair ties, 1 larger hair tie. Go ahead and open up your bandana. You're going to fold that into a triangle. You're going to take that center point at the bottom and fold it almost to the top, and then fold the fold almost to the top. Measure in approximately 8.5 to 9 inches on the side, and you're going to take one of the smaller hair bands and wrap that around tightly. You're going to go ahead and measure in 8.5 to 9 inches on the other side as well, taking a hairband and wrapping that tightly on that side. The parts that you have folded up here will create the inside of your mask, and then the outside of your mask will have a smoother finish. To put on your face mask, you're going to go ahead and put it over your nose and mouth, underneath your ears on the sides. Do a loose tie in the back, and then use that extra hair tie to secure the back there. I like to use these ones with the grip. It's going to hold it a little bit better. And there you have your DIY face mask. Share how to make a face mask with your friends and family.